Looking pretty soupy up there in Devil's Lake on our home of the economy Skycam. Lots of places across the region are dealing with some fog this evening. But first and foremost, let's bring you up to speed with our first alert weather days Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. We want to bring you the very latest information as we come across it, bringing you that first alert. So here's what we know. Tuesday is when the impacts really get going, especially for central and western North Dakota and some of our far westernmost counties, with some wintry mix looking possible for some areas as well, possibly in the southern Red River Valley and points to the east. We'll be keeping a close eye on that track shift. And Wednesday, most of the day, we'll be dealing with some periods of heavy snow and some strong gusty winds. The greatest travel impacts for the Red River Valley look to be on Wednesday and even into Thursday morning. Thursday, periods of lighter snow, not necessarily dealing with as heavy bands as the system gradually tapers off. So 3 first alert weather days for next week that we're keeping you apprised of. The latest hour by hour forecast from the European model that we've been showing all week here still shows that area of wintry mix and some rain to the south. We'll be watching the placement of that wintry mix because wintry mix is going to cut off some snow amounts. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. But still, through the day Tuesday, bands of heavy snow across the region, still dealing with a lot of wind. Some models now showing a little bit of wintry mix again Wednesday morning before transitioning back to snow. And the greatest change that we've seen so far today is more of our models are kind of tapering off the snow a little earlier, so late Thursday as opposed to Friday morning. Another thing we'll be keeping a close eye on through the weekend. Still a risk area of 8 or more inches of snow. Notice especially in parts of eastern North Dakota, central North Dakota into South Dakota. Lesser impacts look likely for our northwestern Minnesota counties, though we could still see some sizable snowfall amounts. The American model that we've also been comparing for this week still shows a similar track and similar timing to our European model as well, still showing that risk of heavy snowfall amounts. Right now, you can see that soupy sky on Devil's Lake there. Here in Fargo, we've been dealing with lower visibility as well. 28 degrees, feels like 17. Wind is out of the south-southeast at 13 miles per hour. Visibility 3 miles. Visibility is 1 mile in Grand Forks, half mile still in Langdon and Hallock. And we do expect that fog to persist tonight. And with temperatures below freezing fog makes things slick. So tonight we have increasing low cloud cover, and we've got fog to contend with. So be sure to drive with those headlights on through tonight. That will continue, and watch what happens late tonight and into tomorrow morning. Areas of light snow and freezing drizzle for parts of the Northern Valley, northwestern Minnesota, kind of sticks around through the day on our Saturday. Quieter conditions out in eastern North Dakota, though there could still be some more fog, and temperatures again mild in the 20s and 30s. But the freezing drizzle and that light snow could make things slick for parts of the Northern Valley and into northwestern Minnesota, and a little bit breezy as well. As for snowfall amounts tomorrow, mostly northern Minnesota could see about 1 inch to 3 inches of accumulation. Most of us a trace to 1 inch where we do see flakes. So tomorrow in Fargo, waking up to mild temperatures and staying rather steady through the day before turning colder into Sunday morning. So a snapshot of your hometown forecast tomorrow afternoon, 20s and 30s for most of us. Again, freezing drizzle, light snow, mostly in northwestern Minnesota. For your 7-day forecast, things start turning Monday night. So if you want to make your preparations ahead of time this weekend or by Monday night, especially for our easternmost counties where it looks to be heaviest at this time. And again, through the weekend, Bobby, will keep a very close eye on those first alert weather days. Yeah. And Jim and Gash will be in all weekend, keeping everyone updated.
Yeah, there's lots of red on that 7-day just for now. A lot to pay attention to. Yeah, but hopefully we can at least enjoy the weekend too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep, Summer, thank you so much.